down there.
It's flooded. There's a walkway by that American flag over there, usually. Looks like basements are probably flooded out. There you go, you can see the railing from the walkway. They've got it taped off. Yeah, I don't think anybody's gonna walk there now.
That's where I was standing yesterday, by that lamppost.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
My Lord. There's a bench. What, are restaurants open? Yeah. Look at that water move too, man. Look how high, look at the, all those are closed over there because the walkways are elevated. Docks over there. Parking garage flooded out.